So today you're going to see this beautiful mermaid garland that I made for my 4-year-old for her birthday celebration. I was able to purchase everything on Amazon. I spent under $42. There were over 100 balloons that I blew up, and that was, I feel like, the easiest part, using the machine to blow up the balloons. Everything else seemed to be trial and error. I was grabbing mismatched balloons. Now, usually when I do a balloon column, I put the same size balloons together, and I use whatever the color pattern is what I follow. However, after doing some research, I found out that with a mermaid balloon, you kind of, at the tail part, you're using different sizes, and so I kind of went with that. So at first, I was trying to make sense of everything. My daughter was trying to help me, and then she needed a break. Anywho, after a lot of trial and error, things were finally starting to come along. Now, trying to put the balloons together on the wall with the string, the weight of the balloons eventually were just too much weight for that adhesive sticky, and it fell down. So I eventually went to a chair, tied my string, that fishing wire, to my chair, and I finished building about 30% of the garland, and then eventually I was able to hook it on and finish building it off the wall. Overall, it took me a little under 5 hours. That's including blowing up over 100 balloons. Again, all that trial and error. It came out really beautiful. My daughter eventually came back towards the end to help put the balloons in the net. But other than that, my 4-year-old, who woke up to this the next morning, was ecstatic. She loved it. Hope you guys enjoy it.